If you're looking for the vintage clothes to buy online, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm showing you the 5 websites from where you can buy these vintage clothes. The first website is the rocket.co.uk. This is shown on the screen right now. As you can see that the design is very neat and clean and simple, and right on the top you would see that you would find the categories, the new arrivals, women, men and brands. You can straight away go on to the specific part of the website depending upon who you are or whom you are looking for to buy. For example, if you are men, you can go to the men's section and you can straight away go for the clothing or accessories, and you can also search for the different eras. You can also search for the top brands. For example, if I've clicked the Levi's, so this is the men's Levi's vintage clothing section. Overall 621 products are there, and while you can filter out this search by their brands, by the gender and the product type, you can also filter the clothes by the price, whether the saving is available on any article or not. You can also filter the clothes by their sizes. The website also has the search option available. You can search for a particular product and then you can filter out, as I've already told you. The prices are shown in the pounds because it is a UK based website. The next website in the list is the beyondretro.com. Again, the link would be in the description. It is again a UK based website, but it has the stores available in the UK as well as in Sweden. This website gets around 200 to 300,000 visitors per month, and just like all the websites, you can filter, you can see the popular categories right on the top. Depending upon that which category you're looking for, you can straight away go. And in addition to the categories, they also have a sales tab available, so you can click on the sales tab and you can look for the items which are available on sale. While this website is UK based, so you would see the prices in pound. However, they have an option on the top right. You can change the prices to US dollars, and then these prices would be shown in the dollars. This website has a policy of return. You can return the clothes within 14 days. If you are buying something more than $117, you will get a free delivery. The popular categories are new arrivals, women, men, kids, brands, sportswear, and then denim. And within each category you would find the further subcategories. That, for example, in the sportswear you would see that there is a separate section for the men and women and the popular brands. I'm just going to show you the one category, that is the vintage Adidas, and you can see that these are the clothes that are available. You can go and check out from the left side. You can see that you can further filter out by the category, gender, sizes and the colors, fabric. These all options are available. You can also filter out in terms of the minimum and maximum prices. I will give the link to this website in the description below. You can further check out by visiting the website yourself. The next website is depop.com. It is a US based website, and this website gets more than 10 million views per month, which makes it the largest vintage clothing platforms online. So right on the top, as I am already covering that these all websites have the categories for the men, women, but one thing which is different from the other websites which I've shown you, the Depop also have the other items other than the clothes, like jewelry and the beauty items you would also find. And once you will click the more section, you would also see that there are things which you can buy for your homes, the art related things that you can buy, the sports equipment, transportation, and the face masks and music, films. These categories are also there, but primarily this website is popular for its vintage clothing for men, women and kids. Just like all other websites, you can filter out the search results by the categories, brand, sizes, price, colors and their condition, and whether the items are available on sale or not. And similarly, on the top you would see the search bar in which you can search the specific item or a specific term, and then it will present you all the clothes or the items that are available in that category. This website has the country specific versions which you can select from the bottom right. As you can see that it is available for Australia, Germany, France, UK, Italy and United States. So depending upon where you are living, you can select the country from here, and then you can start to browse that what items would be available there in your country. You can also click this free domestic shipping, and you would see that all these items in which you will not have to pay for any shipping prices. And once clicking on the sale, you would see the items which are available on the cut prices. So do check out this website. The link is in the description. The next in line is the auxfmshop.co.uk. Again, this is a UK based website. This website gets around 1 million views per month, where you will find the clothes for the men, women and kids. But you will also find the different items like one of the previous websites, the items related to the music and books, and similarly the collectible art, stamp coins, these things would also you would find, and the items for your home or the gift items you can also find on this website. By clicking any of the main categories, like I have just clicked the kids category, you would see the items, and you can sort these items by their price, low to high. High to low are the newest arrival. You can filter by the category, like if I want to just see the coats, I can just click that. You can filter out by the sizes, brands, their condition, color and the price range also. Another important thing is that they also have an Instagram page, so you can just go onto their Instagram page, from where you can find out the new arrivals which they keep adding frequently into their website and into their Instagram store. The next website is the ASOS Marketplace. Again, this is a UK based website, but from the top you can select the country for which you are looking for. Say if I want to see for the US, I can select the US dollars, save settings, and it will refresh the prices based on my settings. This website gets more than 75 million views per month, which means that by far this is the most popular website still now which I have shown you. From the top you can go on to the new arrivals, the clearance, or what are the trending options, and as I've selected the vintage Adidas, and you can see that these items are shown. You can further filter out the items based on the gender, prices, the product, brand, sizes, colors and all the filters which generally you would find on the clothing websites. So in addition to the clothing, just like some of the other websites, you can also find the accessories and shoes over here, like the sunglasses, bags, belts, the socks, jewelry and other accessories you would also find over here. And within all these sections, as I have already covered, that the filters are available, it will help you to find out the product which you are looking for. If you're looking for the best online shopping websites in general, I have already made a video on that, which is displayed in the end screen card now, which you can check out. And thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.